In this guide, we are going over everything that you need to know about perks here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Perks in Bizarre Lineage are passive bonuses. They improve your character no matter which stand you're using, and you can equip up to 4 perks at the exact same time. Each one will give you different advantages like extra damage, defense, healing bonuses, and so much more, experience and money as well. And most of these perks are going to be unlocked through completing quests, raids, gang activities, or rolling specific stands. Let's start with perks unlocked through quests and activities. You have Journeyman. This is going to give you 5% more experience, and you unlock it after completing the tutorial. The Fever is another one. It lets you steal 10% of another player's stats for 20 seconds after defeating them. Hustle Bones increases your money gain by 5%. Curve Light reduces your stand awakening cooldown by 10%. Unyielding Aura makes nearby enemies deal 8% less damage and take 8% more damage. And then there's a bunch of perks tied to gang activities, which are stuff like Commanding Presence, which will give gang members 5% more damage and defense, and it's unlocked through gang wars. The Boss increases money gain while you do have more gang members. Protection Racket reduces incoming damage while inside gang territory. Loyal Enforcer increases gang contract rewards by 25%. And now you have the raid-based perks. Grappler will increase grab movement by 15% and drops from the Jotaro Kujo raid. Intimidation makes grabbed enemies take a lot more damage from the Jotaro raid. King of Flames allows stand abilities to apply burn, and it's obtained through the Ado raid. Conjure doubles your stand conjuration gain, also from that exact same raid. The Emperor of Time makes abilities last 2 seconds longer. It's dropped from the Dio raid. The Godfather is going to add life steal to stand abilities, also from the Dio raid. You have Serial Killer, which is damage against enemies below 40% health. It's from the Kira raid. Another one from the Kira raid is the Quiet Life, which will regenerate health after taking damage, also from that exact same raid. But there's also going to be stand-specific perks which unlock automatically when you roll certain stands, like Made in Heaven, which includes perks like Rapid Flow for sprint speed, Accelerated Instinct, which doubles dodge frames, and Inevitability, which increases penetration based on speed. Sea Moon, which includes Gravitational Force, which obviously slows attackers when you block. Martial Artist for extra martial arts damage, and No Escape, which prevents enemies from evading after a block break. White Snake includes Gnome Memory, Synthetic Force, and Autocrat, which all focus on improving defense. Star Platinum has Unyielding Force for combo damage, Fist of Fury for ragdolling enemies after block breaks, and Absolute Destruction, which breaks enemy guards against walls. The World includes King of Time, Theatrical, and Play With Your Food, which all boost damage in different situations. And other stands like World High Voltage, King Crimson, Gold Experience, Stone Free, Weather Report, Killer Queen, Magician's Red, Crazy Diamond, Purple Haze, Red Hot Chili Pepper, The Hand, and Anubis all come with their own unique perk sets that improve specific abilities, damage types, or survivability. Because perks do stack with their stand abilities, choosing the right combination of perks and stands can make a huge difference in both PvE and PvP fights. But that is a full overview of every single perk here in Bizarre Lineage. We have specific guides going over specific perks, so if you want to see those, I recommend checking that out. Just search up Bizarre Lineage, just Boz, and it'll pop up. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.